Hello! Have you ever wanted to browse the shelves of Hunt Library in Daytona Beach but weren't able to come to campus to have a look? Well, now you can do it from the comfort of your computer. What you do is click on Books from the library's website. Then you click on Voyager Search. Voyager is the name of our library catalog, which details the material that the library owns. Then you search with words important to your topic. Next, in the list of results, pick one that seems interesting to you. Click on it, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Your book will be in this area of the shelf. Sometimes you have to go to the right to get to it, and you can see all the other books that are shelved next to it. And if you mouse over one of the covers, you will see a number of things about the book. For more information, you can click the Browse this shelf ? And it will give you a link to a research guide about the virtual shelf browser. And inside this guide you will find several preset links for a number of topics such as the history of education. For more questions about this and other services, use the Ask a Librarian icons in the upper right-hand side of the library's homepage. Thank you for watching.